Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMan. In this video, I will guide you on how to add texture to text in Photoshop in seconds. First, choose the type or text tool on your left, find the font you like and sizing, then press Ctrl plus A to select all. Move your text depending on the position you like, press Ctrl D to deselect. After that, drag your photo on Photoshop, then scale it while holding the Shift button, then press Enter. On your Layers tab, hold Alt plus click your textured photo to create a mask. And you're done! If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.